So, hello everybody, and a very warm welcome to this interview. We're at the start almost of Christian Aid Week, and this year obviously it's going to be a very different Christian Aid Week because of the lockdown. But nonetheless, some special people are doing really amazing things to raise money for Christian Aid. And we've got one of those people with us to interview today. His name is Finley French, and he's from Cardiff. Very warm welcome to you, Finley.
Hello. Hi.
Can I ask you, first of all, how old you are?
7.
You're only 7, are you? You're very, very young. You're doing something amazing. So which school do you go to in Cardiff, Finley?
Cardiff City.
Cardiff City. Good school?
Yeah.
You enjoy going there? That's
Yes.
good. That's good. So what's your favourite subject in school, Finley?
I like maths.
You like maths? Dear me, I used to hate maths when I went to school. So that's really good. You're good at maths, are you? Well, that's excellent. And that's particularly good because you're doing something that involves a lot of counting for Christian Aid at the moment, aren't you? What's the challenge you've taken for Christian Aid Week?
By the end of it, I'm going to run a marathon distance.
You'll have run a marathon distance, which is a little over 26 miles. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're breaking it into small bits. You're not running the whole marathon at one time. So what length are you running every day?
5K.
You're doing 5K every day. And how long is it taking you to do 5K, Finley?
So the max is about an hour.
Right. Okay. So you're going at good pace then. And so how many days will it take you to finish the 26 miles?
I don't really know.
Well, we're doing between 5 and 7K every other day, so he gets us a rest day in between.
Okay.
And we're working to complete it around about the 13th of May before Christian Aid Week finishes, just so he knows he's done it.
Excellent. Excellent.
So it started on the 28th of March, I think. So.
Wow. So it's quite an effort, Finley. Do you enjoy running? Is it something you do regularly?
Not really.
No. Something you've just
really
started to do.
Since the lockdown, haven't you?
Yeah. Do you know, that's exactly what I've done as well. I've started running in the mornings at 6 o'clock in the morning, 3 times a week. I started doing 3K and now I'm up to 4K. So I'm a little bit behind you, I'm afraid, Finn. So well done for doing that. So let me ask you then, you're raising money for Christian Aid Week. Was there a particular reason why you chose Christian Aid as your charity?
Yeah.
Would you like to tell us about that?
They help give people money.
They do. Yeah. Yeah, they do some very important work around the world, especially now to do with the coronavirus. And I think the whole school is involved in the effort, isn't it? Is that right?
Yeah. We're part of Llandaff Cathedral in the parish, so we've always donated and sort of sponsored Christian Aid, and we knew that with the door-to-door process probably being hindered with the coronavirus, we thought this was our chance to support it. And we saw a video by Mrs. James on the school Twitter, and she inspired Finn, didn't she?
Excellent. Is Mrs. James your teacher, Finn?
No, my head teacher.
Oh, she's the head teacher, is he? Okay. Better do what she says then, isn't it? So, Liz, you're Finn's mother. You must be very, very proud of his achievements so far.
Yeah, he used to do judo and rugby and lots of different sports, but with the lockdown, everything got put on hold.
Yeah.
And he's got an underlying health condition with asthma and different things with his kidneys. And we really just wanted to keep his fitness going. And it just worked out perfect for a charity that we always support, that we would tie the two things in together. And Mrs. James, with her marathon challenge, kicked it off with a 2.6 challenge, and we've just embraced it really. And I couldn't be prouder. I really couldn't. He's already my my little hero. And I think he's on £616 with Miss Reeve for the school, for the everyone's really embracing it, and the school's done a brilliant job fundraising so far for this. So we're really excited to see how it goes in the next week or so.
Well, Finley, your mother's proud of you, and at Christian Aid, we're all proud of you as well. £616, did you say, so far? That's an amazing effort to add to the school's total. We're very, very proud, and we are very grateful as well to you and to everybody else in Llandaff School for all the hard work. Hope it goes well for you. Hope the weather keeps nice and dry for you as you finish your running for the next week or so. And every blessing for the future. Thank you very much for talking to us.
And you.
Today.
Good luck with your running as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Bye.